Hello friends, welcome back to AutoCAD. Friends, here in this tutorial, we are going to talk about ribbons. But before we start, here you can see application menu. I already explained application menu in previous video. You can find a link for this video in description box. Okay friends, here you can see our ribbon tabs. Ribbons is the most important features of AutoCAD. Here, first we saw how to modify ribbon tabs. You can modify ribbon tabs by simply right click in this area and you can see show tabs option is available here. Now uncheck the home option and now you can see home tab is disappearing. To retry home tab, just again right click here and it show tabs option. Check home option and now your home tab appearing again. In the same way, you can modify other tabs here. Okay friends, you can see here all tabs containing panels and it's called ribbon panel. And here are the ribbon panel title bars. You can also modify these panels. Just go to this area and right click here and in show panels, simply uncheck draw panel. You can see now draw panel is disappearing. To retry draw panel again, follow the same steps again. And now draw panel is appearing. To show insert tabs panel, click on insert panel, then right click in this area and you can see show panel option shows panel name for insert tab. You can do the same things by right click on each panel. Now here you can see each panel contains tools icon. These all are draw tools and these all are construction tools. You can see as you hover your cursor on line tool, a short description about line tool is appearing. If you want to see more draw tools, just click on this drop down arrow and you will find more tools for draw panel. Here you can see a little push pin icon. By clicking this icon, you can lock this panel in open position. By clicking again this icon, your panel is now closed. Friends, here you can see a drop down arrow also available in some tools. By clicking this arrow, you can find some more options to use this tool. Here you can draw a circle using center radius, center diameter. You can also draw a circle using 2-point and 3-point method. But we will see how these options are useful to draw a circle in future video of circle command. Okay friends, this is all about ribbons and I added a download link for PDF of this video in description box. Just download it and you will find some more useful information about this topic. Now it's the end of our tutorial. Friends, if you like this video, then please hit the like button and share it with your friends. And also don't forget to subscribe to get our new videos.